everyone, welcome back to Hopper's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make some bloomin' onions. Let's get started on this awesome recipe. Okay, first off, we're gonna start with our wet ingredients. Put some egg in there. That way after we cut, okay, just a drizzle of milk in there. Mix this up. Then we're gonna work on our dry ingredients. We're gonna add flour with some salt, pepper, seasoned salt, and some garlic powder. Okay, set that to the side. All right, here we go. 1 cup of flour, some pepper, tiny dash of salt, garlic powder, going thick on the powder. Love that garlic. Okay, and the only thing I'm missing here is the seasoned salt. You can also put some cayenne pepper in there. I'm gonna eliminate that in my recipe, but it is good. So you might want to do that at home if you like the cayenne pepper. Your flour should look kind of brown tinted if you're using seasoned salt. You don't want it just to taste like flour, so be sure and get some great ingredients in there. Cayenne pepper will help make it a little brown too. Smells great. Okay, now we have to get ready on our onion. We're gonna trim it up, cut it. Let's peel it first. Peel off its beautiful layers here. So I read somewhere on the internet that you can got that onion peeled. I'm going to take out the ugly center here very gently. Try to be a little bit artistic with it and not make it too jagged in there. Okay, so now we can slice. So if you have one of the onion pressers where it'll cut it perfectly for you, that would probably be easier, but here we go. I have actually never made a bloomin' onion, so we'll get to test out my cooking. Got a longer knife. Let's see, gotta go right here. Make it equal corners. One more. It's looking great. Here we go. All right, let's get her ready for that egg, and then we're gonna put in our flour batter and fry it up. Make sure your onion is nicely layered. You can see the little layers in there. That way when you pull it apart after you fried it, every little piece will have its own yummy fried batter. I'm gonna use about 2 quarts of oil in a big old pot. We better get started. Our onion is blooming. Here's our egg. I might get a spoon. Get that batter down in there. Uh-oh, our onion's falling apart. Sad face. Don't cut too deep. I got that extra sharp knife and it definitely worked. All right, Mr. Onion. All right, looks good. Now we need our flour. A little bit more on that side, I missed. Gotta get dirty with this one. All right, onion. Let's get lots of flour down in this baby. It's going to be super, super amazing. Okay, let's check on our grease, our vegetable oil, and fry up our onion. Okay, time is ready. I think our grease is hot enough. Here we go. Don't burn your hands. We did pretty good for our first bloomin' onion. Let's get this baby out. All right, looks absolutely beautiful. It bloomed up just right. Beautiful. So now I'm going to make us a dipping sauce. I've got some salad dressing. I really needed cayenne pepper for this dish, but we're eliminating it because you could have put it in this dipping sauce as well. So I also have some thick and creamy horseradish. I'm gonna add a really big teaspoon of that. Stir this up. Dash of seasoned salt and some pepper. I'm also going to lightly season salt, or just salt, our blooming onion right there on the top. Stir this up. Ooh, that looks great too. That's going to be so delicious with our onion here. So let's give it a try. Looks really pretty. Oh, I'm making a mess here. I think we did a great job. Very, very good. Love it. Hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. I've never made one. I love eating these at the restaurant. They're super good, so try my recipe out. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching today's video. See you on the next.